All right, good morning, everyone. I will go over the WEBSLINGER point system again. All right, so WEBSLINGER has basically 4 indicators. I added stochastic because that's what I'm used to based on double blessing and cash trap. All right, so the first thing is the cloud, Ikimoshi cloud. For a buy, you want it to be underneath everything because it works like your EMA line. It tells you what is the trend. The next thing is you want the next indicator are the web strings. The web strings tell you how powerful is the trend. So you can see that when there's no trend, they are clumped together. But when the trend is powerful, it's spread out, and you want to see it spread out beautifully like this. All right, for a buy, you want your parabolic SAR to be under the candle. That's the third indicator. Then you want to see the buy signal. That's the fourth indicator. But how do you enter? You enter, there are 2 ways to enter, but the most important thing about WEBSLINGER is you up on the train when it's moving. You don't join at the resistance or support. So here is how you enter. When the candle breaks into this thick line, this thickest web string, you know the trade is setting up. So you join when it breaks out. You join at the breakout. At the breakout, when you have all your signals, the parabolic size underneath the candle, the web string are well spread out, you have a buy signal, you have the cloud underneath. Those are the 4 you enter the trade. Let me check Euro code again. Most of these trades are confusing at the moment, and I really do not want to get in anymore. If I am going to get in here, I won't be using WEBSLINGER anymore. The trend is no longer powerful. And if we start getting in, we will start losing. All right, so this is how to enter for a sell. The cloud will be above you. The web strings will be above all your candles. Your candles will be well laid out on the thickest line of the web strings. Then you would have your parabolic SAR above your candles, and you have a sell signal. Those are the 4 indicators you need to get in. And remember, you get in when it breaks out. See, when it breaks in, you know it has set up. When it breaks out, you join. All right, so look here. Look at this. It has broken in and it's breaking out. Your cloud is there, that's 1. Your web string are well laid out, that's 2. You have a sell signal, that's 3, but your parabolic SAR is not there. But if you look at your stochastic, it's right there. So you can get in, or you can wait for your parabolic SARs to get there. All right. Okay, so basically that's how it works. You can analyze, you can only use WEBSLINGER for a very trendy market. All right, I'm recording the session, but I am not getting any trade again today. So I can analyze for you. You can use your own confirmations and get in. Let me look up a few other currencies, but I am not entering any trade again this morning. Yes, when it breaks out. Not when it breaks in, when it breaks out. All right, the other way to enter is, I'll show you, is the Kevin calls them the jumpers way of entering. Let me look for where that kind of thing happened on this kind of. All right there. That setup is not here. What I can see is breaking and breakout. Breaking and breakout. Now, here, it did not really break in, it just came to retest and came out. So in this kind of situation, you can get in on the retest. Once it comes back, just to touch the big line, you can get in at the close of that candle. But I think I prefer to enter with the breakout. Here you see this one now, it's not really breaking out, so you don't want to get in this candle. This guy does not know what he's doing. I think I should leave WEBSLINGER at the moment and check with other strategies. All right, let's check the cash trap. What's the name of this cash trap, Seth? Can you remind me, please?
Hourglass. It's called hourglass.